So yesterday we were factoring trinomials using the box method, and on the boom cards we were having a hard time figuring out what would make the answer correct and what made it incorrect. So I just wanted to show you what they are expecting. So if I have a trinomial like this one where I've got 4x squared minus 18x plus 20. And you noticed on those boom cards at the very top, it asked you to figure out what the GCF was. So if I looked at these coefficients, is there a number that I could pull out of each one of those? So is there a number that goes into 4, negative 18, and 20? And the greatest common factor would be 2. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to factor that out of my original trinomial. So what times 2 is 4x squared, and that's 2x squared. And what times 2 is negative 18x, negative 9. And what times 2 is 20, and that's 10. So now I'm going to do my factoring on this new trinomial that's a little bit smaller. So for example, I'm going to put my x, right? I want two numbers that multiply to 20 and add to a negative 9. So that would be negative 5x and negative 4x. So now I'm going to put that in my box. 2x squared goes in the upper left, 10 goes in the lower right. And then I have negative 5x and negative 4x. So now, what's the GCF, or what number goes into 2x squared and negative 5x? Well, that's just x. And what goes into negative 4x and 10? And I have to keep that negative because that sign is negative, the adjacent sign is negative, so minus 2. And then I kind of like to switch backwards, and I need to go x times what is 2x squared, and that's 2x. And x times negative 5 is negative 5x, and then I can just check negative 2 times negative 5 is 10. So my complete factoring, and this is what they're looking for in their answer, I factored out a 2, so that's got to stay out in front. And then I've got 2x minus 5 and x minus 2. So on any of those that you have a GCF of something other than 1, they're going to want you to break it down that way. So the boom cards, I guess when you work on them, they all erase as soon as you quit, although I can see your best ones. So what I would like you to do is work on boom again today, but I want you to get 5 of them in a row right, so that will show me that you've done enough on my side when I look. Okay?